A very good afternoon. It's exactly 13:05, Sunday the 18th of April 2021. We're going to release a press statement in just about a few minutes. I'm just waiting for all the other platforms to be up and running, and then we will do the statement. Akin gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ẹ ti darapọ̀ mọ́ wa ní ọ̀sán yìí níbi tí ẹ ti láǹfààní àti gbé gbọ́ wa. A ní pẹ́ lórí press statement tí a fẹ́ release fún gbogbo ọmọ káàárọ̀ òjíire níbikíbi tí ẹ ti ń wò wá. Orúkọ tèmi a máa jẹ́ Olayomi Koiki tí gbogbo yín mọ̀ sí Koiki Media. And this statement is coming from the Ìlànà Ọmọ Oòduà, as a lot of you must have been seeing a lot of news circulating across the social media, or likewise those that have been calling us to find out if anything has gone wrong back in the Yoruba land in terms of Professor Banji Akintoye. We will be able to confirm that nothing of such has happened. Nothing has happened to Professor Banji Akintoye. He is well and sound. Motibawon Soro, just about some few minutes ago. You're going to listen to the voice of Professor Banji Akintoye himself. And then also, I will read out the statement that have been released by Ìlànà Ọmọ Oòduà to everyone across the globe. Once again, my name is Olayomi Koiki. Let's first listen to Professor Banji Akintoye's voice on this voice message that he gave to us on the behalf of all the Yoruba sons and daughters around the globe.
Professor Banji Akintoye, in the 18th of April 2021, 12:15 Lagolo Nisin. Eba kọ́kọ́ sọ pé ṣé ẹ̀yin gangan là ń rí bá sọ̀rọ̀ báyìí.
Èmi bàbá yín náà ló ń bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Èmi bàbá yín Adébánjí Akíntóyè ló ń bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Ilé ni mo dẹ̀ ti ń bá yín sọ̀rọ̀. Èmi àti grandma la jókòó ká ń jẹ breakfast bó ṣe pè mí. Èmi ò lọ bí kankan ò ṣe mí. Wọ́n ní àwọn kan mi kò sẹ́ni kankan tó dọ́dọ̀ mi, kò sẹ́ni kankan tó lè dọ́dọ̀ mi lára àwọn tó ń gbé dá ní ìjọba máa káàkiri. They can't reach me. I am here. We are not doing anything. We are not doing anything against the law by asking for our own country. We want our country out of Nigeria, and we want it in a hurry.
Ẹ̀ṣẹ̀gọ́ni lánàá.
And there is no looking back.
Àná 17 gbogbo ẹ lọ bó ṣe jẹ́ kó lọ ní ìlú Ìbàdàn. Àwọn èèyàn níwọ̀ rí yín nínú press conference tí wọ́n ṣe ní NAS lánàá. Even though pé article
àwọn assistant mi gbogbo gbádà sọ́dọ̀ mi ní àárọ̀ àná. Wọ́n ní bàbá ọ̀gá gómìnà ní iṣẹ́ tẹ̀ ń ṣe lẹ́nu gọ́mẹ̀ntà ìpọ̀jù. Mo wá ní òótọ́ ni ẹ ṣe. Mo wá yan ìkan lára àwọn obìnrin mo lóun ní kó lọ kà á kí gbogbo ayé gbọ́ nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ sọ. Ìgbàsó mo wá jókòó sílé, mo wá ń bá wọn ṣètò gbogbo nǹkan tán nídìí láti ṣe. Yàtọ̀. Nǹkan tẹ́lẹ̀ ṣe ní mo ní bí press conference nìyẹn. My message was there, which means I was there in spirit.
Ọ̀dà ẹ bá ń kí gbogbo àwọn ọmọ yín káàkiri gbogbo àgbáyé lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí kó tó di pé a máa sọ pé ó dàbọ̀ bàbá kàfíyín sílẹ̀.
Gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ Oòduà ló kó lómi ní diaspora. Mo kí gbogbo yín o. Gbogbo ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nínú yín lẹ ti ń pè mí láti lọ́wọ́ tẹ́ ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ́jọ mo kàn mẹ́rin ni. Ẹ jẹ́ kí inú yín máa dùn Yorùbá ti unite a dẹ̀ ti decide pé ibi tá à ń lọ ni pé afẹ́ ní country tara wa. Ọmọ mi láti Cambodia ìwọ́n ló kọ́ jí mi láàárọ̀ yìí. A bẹ̀rẹ̀ pé bàbá kí náà ló mọ ní nǹkan kan ṣe bàbá yín ojú ni bàbá yín wà o. Kò dẹ̀ sí nǹkan kan tó máa ṣe bàbá yín. Our German walk into our new country. It's not about walk into it time. Over 2 times in one retirement to toss in. Màá lọ jókòó sílé ń gba ẹ̀ máa wò nígbà tẹ́ bá ń rò country kára ní tẹ̀ can perform miracles with all your capabilities from all over the world. Can change the Yoruba nation into one of the richest and most highly respectable countries in the world. In Katem, in young mother, Mari, or do we marry? I'm not better. I'm far one. I'm a town, Barry, in return, you can't remember. I only just about my phone chain from there. Because I didn't get it there because it's a township.
I am date àti time nínú yín gangan bá wọ pé èní lẹ bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ bá wa sọ date àti aago wo ló lù lọ́dọ̀ yín lọ́hùn.
Mi ò tiẹ̀ ní aago mẹ́dúró ẹ̀jẹ̀ kí n wò ní any time by 12:18 minutes past 12 ní di Sunday 18th of April. It is 18 minutes past 12. At this time, ní àti grandma ṣe jẹ breakfast ní àṣẹ yìí ní àṣẹ jẹ breakfast.
Ẹ ṣé gan ni bàbá.
Bó ṣe jẹ́ nìyẹn.
Ẹ jà fi sílẹ̀ happy Sunday.
Ọba yín yọ the day of your vibration is near. Èmi bí bàbá yín bọ̀dẹ̀ dúró máa dúró kì í títí dọjọ́ yẹn ni o.
Ẹ ṣé gan ni o. Ó dàbọ̀. Bye bye.
Ó dẹ̀ máa yẹ yín gbogbo yín ló máa yẹ o.
Àmín. Ẹ ṣé gan bàbá wa ẹ jà fi sílẹ̀. So bó ṣe jẹ́ nìyẹn o ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ ti gbọ́ láti ẹnu bàbá wa ní gbogbo àwa mídíà tí à ń sọ̀rọ̀ àwa la ṣiṣẹ́ yìí o bó ṣe jẹ́ nìyẹn.
And now I will read out the statement that have just been released from Professor Banji Akintoye Ilana, Secretary of Ilana Odua, rather. Bear with me with my voice that I'm about to read the statement out. False alarm. Professor Banji Akintoye is safe, healthy, and secured. The leadership of Ilana Omo Odua wishes to quickly debunk the wide rumor being circulated that the Alano Gbogbo Yoruba and the president of Ilana Omo Odua organization worldwide, Professor Banji Akintoye, has been kidnapped. It is not true. It is a false news and remains a figment of the imagination of the peddlers. However, we want to warn that if anyone, group, organization, or agent of our detractors or rogue government agency is completing this action, this is thus flying these alarmist kits that are planned to set the already inflamed Nigerian polite ablaze beyond the dark imagines, the consequence of which they cannot fathom. Ilana Omo Odua is a peaceful, law-abiding organization, and the Yoruba agitation for self-determination remains irrevocable and resolute in its laser focus to build an independent Yoruba nation without shedding of the blood of friends or foe. All Yoruba nationals and self-determination groups all over the world are to remain calm and unfettered as our revered Baba is safe and in good spirit. It took a well-deserved rest yesterday to watch the momentum event which transpired in Ibadan, the Yoruba political capital, in furtherance of our goal to liberate all Yoruba from the shackles of the failed Nigerian Union. All Yoruba self-determination groups under the leadership, guidance, and the direction of Ilana Omo Odua held a peaceful, well-organized rally in front of the legendary Mapo Hall and the Olu Ibadan of Ibadan Palace, within the precinct of the sprawling Oja Oba market and under the watchful eyes of the Nigerian police. There was no report of a single incident, argument, quarrel, or fight. We were all totally unflinched, committed to our quest and demand for our Yoruba nation. This is how it is done in a civilized climate. We commend the Nigerian police for their candor and maturity. On the day yesterday, April 17, 2021, a multi-regional conference was held at the Ilana Omo Odua Secretary under the aegis of the Nigerian Indigenous Nationality Alliance for Self-Determination, NINAS, to mark the end of the 30-day consultation period with all active Nigerian political parties to demand that they close shop and refrain from all activities which may be construed to endorse any further election with the alliance territories. Any activity in this regard will be interpreted by the people as insensitive and taken to further prolong their suffering and misery, further under illegal Nigeria state operating a fraudulent constitution. The worldwide conference was well attended by representatives and people from Alliance territories who spoke glowing of the activities of Ninas and Ilana Omodua under the leadership of Emeritus Professor Banji Akintoye. Baba happily watched all this event unfold, cocooned in the love and warmth of his family, household, and friends and associates. We remain immensely grateful to your support and concern. Thank you. Okpeoluwa George Akinola, Secretary General Ilana Omodua. My name is Olayomi Koiki, and this will be the end of this briefing. Have a very good afternoon. Bye for now.